Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a pattern haul for August 2018. The patterns in this haul are Simplicity brand patterns only. I originally intended on purchasing patterns from other brands besides Simplicity, but I was unable to do so in August. The first two patterns in my haul are 8712 and 8717. Both patterns have apron patterns in them, but 8721 is for aprons only, while 8717 has decor and an apron pattern in one envelope. I purchased these patterns as backup patterns for a butterick apron pattern I purchased a few months ago. Recently, I decided to look for a backup pattern in the event I found one I liked more than the butterick pattern. So far, I am favoring 8717 because its design and construction is simpler than the butterick pattern. The next two patterns in my haul are 8715 and 8716. Both patterns are for creating stuffed animals and plushies. I wanted to make plushies for a few years, but I couldn't find a pattern I liked. After finding these two patterns, I knew they were what I was looking for. So, when Simplicity patterns went on sale, I bought them. The next pattern in my haul is pattern number 8723. This pattern is an officially licensed Harry Potter costume pattern. The pattern can make robes as well as a top and a tie, just like the ones worn by students from Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. When I saw this pattern for the first time, I became very excited. I'm not a huge Harry Potter fan, but I have friends that are. After telling them about this pattern, I decided to pick up one for myself just in case I ever wanted to make myself a costume. The next two patterns in my haul are 8719 and 8721. These patterns are costume patterns that are new for fall 2018. Although I own patterns similar to them, I wanted them just in case the ones I already own don't work out. The last three patterns in my haul are 8718, 8720, and 8722. All three patterns are costume patterns and look like costumes from various movies. 8718 has costumes that look like Rey's costumes from the Star Wars movies. 8720 looks like the Sanderson sisters from Hocus Pocus. And 8722 has flight suit patterns that would be great for a Ghostbuster costume. I wanted patterns similar to all of them for future projects, so I bought them. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video and want to see more, hit the like button and please subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.